those other people's feet. I know you can fix mine.
All right, my friend. I appreciate you making a long trip today. What was it, 4.5 hours by bus?
Mm-hmm.
You had to go from Jersey to New York to here, right?
Yeah.
Gotcha. All right, now, so you have a number of issues I can see here. The nails, you know, they don't look terrible, other than this pincer nail right here. Yeah. How painful is this one?
It keeps, it grows, so it keeps going, sticking into my to my skin.
Gotcha. So yeah, when we see this can be sometimes a little difficult to deal with. So we want to be real careful getting this out here today, okay? Trimming this up.
Yeah.
We're going to send the nails to the lab to see if there's any fungus, okay?
Okay.
Between the toes, you look fine. All right, but you have some real interesting skin things going on. There's a significant difference between your left and your right.
I do a lot of standing too, because I got back problems too, and I can't sit because it hurts when I sit down regularly, so I stand a lot.
Okay. All right, so we'll do this one last. Let's do these first.
Okay.
So how long has this been a problem for you, this nail?
That nail, I can trim it a little bit, but I can't really reach down there like I used to.
Okay. So what's going on with your back?
They said it's what is it? The muscle or the gristle parts between the bones.
Oh, the cartilage.
Yeah, the cartilage. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It's rubber between.
Okay.
And the bones are scraping like.
So what type of treatment are you receiving for your back right now?
They were giving me injections at first.
Okay.
But it stopped when my insurance stopped.
Okay. How many injections did you receive?
6.
6, wow. Over what period?
About every month or every 2 months, I think.
Okay. Were the injections helpful at all?
No.
No?
It lasts for like maybe about 2 weeks.
Two weeks? Okay. Now, let me know how this one feels. Because, again, it's a pincer nail, so it's going to be a little difficult to deal with. We'll just go a little bit at a time.
Okay. My God.
There's a piece there. That. So how long ago did you discover the channel?
Well, I tried to get here last night when I had the problem with the miscommunication. And I think it was like about 2 or 3 weeks before then.
Okay. Well, I appreciate that.
Yeah, you're very good, and I saw how you were with your patients. And a lot of their feet were way worse than mine. So I figured that you could probably do something with mine.
Yes, ma'am. Is feeling any better yet?
A little.
Good. And these pincer nails can be very difficult to deal with.
When they grow, they stick into the skin.
And it really limits the type of shoes that you can wear comfortably as well. So what I'm going to do, instead of trying to do too much with the nipper here, I'm going to get ready to file the nails down. We'll do a lot more on this one. Because trying to get the clipper underneath the nail to come around, nah, I would have to numb your toe up first to do all that. All right. Okay. So are you able to do any type of your own foot care at home? Or do you sometimes?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I haven't. I stopped going to the nail salon when these things started coming on my right foot.
Okay, these blisters over here? Gotcha.
And then when the pandemic hit,
Getting everything shut down.
Exactly. You know, try to like cut them myself sometimes, but I can never get anything to cut that big toe over it.
Gotcha. Now, do you have any pain around the toes on this foot?
No, not really.
Okay. Yeah, it's kind of weird. You have an interesting foot. You have better nails on the right foot,
Right.
but better skin on the left foot.
Crazy. Now the big toe over here, it just started getting dark. It wasn't that dark at first.
About how long has it been going on?
Say about the past 8 months.
Okay.
When it started getting dark like that. Oh.
There we go. All right, let's get them all filed up, cleaned up here, then we'll deal with the, you know, if it's a little much. Not too bad here at all. Now let me know if this hurts too much, okay? See what happens over time, the skin gets hard like a callus.
Oh, that's what that is, skin. Wow.
It continues to build up and build up over the years.
Yeah.
And then as it continues to build up and push up, now you got the shoe pushing down and just making the problem even worse.
Yeah, I had to buy large size shoes and everything.
There's the fingertip. I got it.
Ouch.
Sorry, got it. If you don't get that corner out,
you get numbed or something?
just because the numbing medication that's gonna getting that's gonna hurt worse than this.
Oh, Jesus.
Got it. It's out.
Oh.
Yeah, if you don't take care of that, then it was just a long trip to DC. Got it. Got it.
Jesus Christ.
It looks like a shark tooth. Look at that.
Whew.
See that?
Yeah, wow. My God. Oh, God, that hurts.
Oh my God. But she's out.
Oh, Lord.
I'm just going to clean up the corners a little bit more. The dead skin under here. It's going to feel a whole lot better.
So all of that just you pulled out was sticking into my skin?
Yep. Right underneath the fold. The reason why it's hard to deal with at home because you can't get under there with your typical nail clipper. And then because, because it's so uncomfortable.
Yeah.
Most nail salons don't want to deal with it. Now, in cases where there's, there's big skin infection, the nail has broken the skin and all that kind of good stuff, then yeah, we'll have to do a complete surgical procedure on it.
Yeah, I thought that nail was going to have to be taken off. Whew. Gosh.
Fortunately, that's not the case for you. Yeah, file it down just a little bit more. It's looking better though. This is Kevin Jefferson, the DC Foot Doctor. Thank you for watching this video. Like it with a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Share it with your family and friends. For more videos like this, click on these. But most importantly, take care of your feet.